I want you all to have a look at this poem. This is a poem which has been written by a teenager, and this is regarded as one of the most negative poems of all time. Just imagine the thinking of that boy. He has written the most negative poem of all time. I will give you 10 seconds if it is visible. For the near one. Correct. Good evening, one and all, dear Toastmasters and guests. Today I am delivering my project 9. And I want you all to please close your eyes. Everyone, please close your eyes and open it only when I will ask you to do. I want you to imagine a beautiful society, a lovely society. In that lovely society, you have your beautiful house, the best house in the society. You are living with your precious family. It is the best society and you have a beautiful home. You are standing in the open terrace garden and you are looking at the beautiful garden. The beautiful garden is right there in front of your house and it is filled with colorful flowers. So many flowers, colorful flowers. And it also has an open garden, an open lawn, a very big lawn. You are enjoying the view. Are you loving it? It is your garden. Now suddenly, what happens? Your neighbor comes. He has a big bag which he has kept in his bag. The big bag contains all the dust particles, all the waste material from his house. He enters your house, goes into your lawn and puts all the trash material of his house in your garden. Now, all of you, please open your eyes. How do you feel? Disgusting. You want to remove that person from your life? From entering your house at any time? Now imagine that beautiful garden is actually your mind. Your beautiful mind which is filled with beautiful ideas, colorful ideas, so many ideas. But you fill your mind with negativity every day. You feed your mind with negativity, with negative thoughts. Your neighbor can do it, but you do it on a daily basis. If I tell you an example, every day in the morning when you wake up, what do? The first thing you do, you take up a newspaper. I haven't seen a single newspaper with a positive headline or a positive thing. It only gives us the negative image of the society. The news about the disasters, the crashes, the everything bad which is happening in the society. You fill your mind every day in the morning with the negative thoughts. The highest rated TRP shows in India are shows like Bigg Boss. I haven't seen Bigg Boss. I have seen just 1 or 2 episodes of Bigg Boss. And in those 2 episodes, I have seen just one thing. It started with a fight, it continued with the gossip, it ended with a fight, and in the end, a disclaimer came to watch more fighting. Please tune in again tomorrow. Complete negativity. Then you say, why is everything going wrong at my home, my office, or in the world? If you are feeding yourself and to your family, your children, your parents with negativity, how can good thoughts come into your mind? This is how you are feeding your brain, your beautiful brain. I read a very beautiful story. The story is about the frog race. There was a huge well in which all the frogs were kept. And all the frogs were given the task to come up at the top of the well. And the villagers surrounded the well and they were constantly yelling at the frogs that till date no one has ever managed to come up at the top of the well. And you can't do it, no one can do it. And suddenly what happened? All the frogs who were trying to come up, they suddenly started falling down one by one, one by one, one by one. All of them were falling down, except one. There was one frog which kept climbing up and up and up. And in the end, he reached the pinnacle, the top of the world. When he was asked, how did you manage to do so? People recognized that the frog was deaf. He could not hear. He thought at all times, when people were shouting negative things to him, he thought that people were actually encouraging him. The negative thoughts did not enter his mind even once, and he was positive, he was in a positive state of mind at all times. Negativity attracts negativity, and positivity attracts positivity. If you are positive, you will attract positive people in your life. If you will attract positivity, trust me, all the negative surroundings which you have, they will automatically go away, and the only positive people will enter in your life, and this will be the best felicitation of your life which you can give to you. And trust me, the poem which you are looking at right now, this is regarded as the most negative poem of all time. But if you will read the same poem from bottom to top, this is the most positive poem of all time, from bottom to top. The things are always the same, but it is up to you how you look at it.